Hi there, this is Patrick Enderly, and my session is titled Leveraging Crosscutting Concepts to Explore and Investigate Phenomena Using ADI. So, this session will work on some of the work I've been doing for the past several years about incorporating cross-cutting concepts and using them at multiple points throughout any science lesson, including art ADI investigations, as lenses to start making sense of phenomena, lenses to start thinking about what to focus on during an ADI investigation, and then also scaffolding support to leverage using cross-cutting concepts and creating high quality reasoning in their argument boards. So one of the things that I want to do is to show them some resources that I have found to be particularly helpful for teachers in incorporating cross-cutting concepts into their lessons, and then engage in some activities around modifying and revising or building specific supports within the various materials and scaffolding materials that are used in an ADI investigation. So someone should attend my session because the cross-cutting concepts are kind of the dimension of the three-dimensional framework that are very unclear across the country to many teachers. However, in using them and in the work that I've been doing, they become these really powerful lenses for teachers to think about their own teaching, to think about how to frame and support their students in learning through investigating and exploring and explaining phenomena. So that's why my goal with the session would be so that teachers can walk out of the session, and anybody else participating, not just teachers, but anybody can walk out with some quickly developed tools to help them address the incorporation of cross-cutting concepts into their ADI investigations.